Hey everyone, welcome to Trebinje. Honestly, this place might just be the best kept secret in all of the Balkans. So we're starting our day right in the center of town under these massive plane trees. Some of them are over 100 years old, and that's why they're so huge. This area of town is called the Platanima, and these plane trees up here create the perfect shade, which is really important because, fun fact, Trebinje is actually the sunniest city in all of Bosnia and Herzegovina, with over 260 sunny days in a year. Wow, that must be nice to live here. If you're near a pool, probably.
The market here is really beautiful. Trebinje city is placed in Mediterranean climate. So in this market right here, you can literally find everything. Figs, olives, olive oil, honey, literally anything you can imagine, you can find it here. And an interesting fact about this market right here, people have been selling produce here for over 100 years now. Literally same exact spot over 100 years. And it is so lively here. Everyone comes here to get their fresh produce in the morning, for the weekend, whatever. So we got our breakfast and she gave us 2 extra just to try them on. That's the warmth of Balkan people, and they're so welcoming and so giving. All of a sudden we have 4 peaches. Can't get fresher than this.
Oh. So that was the Austro-Hungarian side of town, and now we're entering the old town, which is the Ottoman part of town, just a few steps away from that beautiful green market. The old town is really beautiful with its old stone walls, narrow streets, and hidden little cafes. You can really get lost here in the best possible way. But I will say it was a few degrees cooler under the Platanima area. You can really feel the difference. If you're looking for another place to cool down and get some shade in this city of sun, you can go to Gradski Park, which is where we're at now, which is a lovely, really big park in the center of town. Gotta love a city that has some greenery, nature, and parks in it. And actually, this city has an Orthodox church right here, a Christian church on the other corner, and a mosque just over there, all in the same vicinity of each other. So there's a lot of diversity, a lot of variety here. Love to see it all.
Alright, we have arrived to distillery Vukoje, which is on Herzegovina wine route. And the importance of this vineyard is that it has been passed from generation to generation for already 40 years. And this winery right here has 60 Michelin restaurants serving their wine in England alone. So you can imagine in the world. And we are right here in their vineyard and trying their wine. This right here is Žilavka, which is the white wine of Herzegovina. This has been made here for centuries now. It is very light, very crisp, perfect for summer. Cheers. Oh man, it doesn't get fresher than that, trust me.
And even if you're not a wine connoisseur, this place is definitely still worth visiting because the vineyards are just beautiful. They stretch on forever, and these views are insane. The mountains are all surrounding you. And of course, it's almost always sunny here, so it's perfect grape growing weather. So if you are a wino, then this is the place for you. And time to eat. We're at Restaurant Humsko, which if you're visiting Trebinje is a must visit because I think you can see the reason why. It has the most amazing views of the river Trebišnjica, named after the town Trebinje, and it's right on the walls of the historic Ottoman Old Town. I got chicken with a fig, honey, and walnut sauce, which are 3 things that are prevalent in the region, so that's going to be delicious.
And obviously the carp fillet, which was smoked and then grilled, and then of course you have the spinach and potato on the side like usual, some garlic on the side as well. So I'm very excited, and especially I never tried carp, so this is the first time trying that as well. Let's feast! Feast! This is how the fish looks like. Oh, it smells so good.
The sauce on the chicken.
Oh my god.
Good.
It's so good. It's like you have fish, you have meat, and you like combine them, and that's what you're tasting. It's literally like 2 in 1.
And of course the rice is nicely seasoned with vegeta, my favorite here in the Balkans.
Oh my god. Would highly recommend. Oh my god. All the locals said we have to come here for the best meal. Just because of the full experience, the views. It's just so zen. And the food is gorgeous.
And this is Arslanagica Bridge, built in the 16th century by the Ottomans, and it actually used to be part of a major trade route here. Walking the streets of Trebinje, you can really feel how much history this town has seen. So we just heard a very interesting story about this bridge from a local, that it was actually originally placed in a different location nearby, but they were worried that a dam would break through and the bridge would be ruined, so they moved every stone of this bridge, they marked what position it is, and they moved it stone by stone to a new location. So it's all intact, all the exact same bridge, but they moved it piece by piece, which is an insane feat.
And this might be my favorite part of the day, a boat ride on the Trebišnjica, just as the sun starts setting. It's calm, peaceful, and you see the whole town from a different angle. We just checked in, got the key, and tonight we are actually staying in the apartment that the Monica Bellucci used for the whole month while recording a movie on the Milky Road right here in Trebinje. So she stayed in this exact room for a month. So we will be sleeping in the same bed as Monica Bellucci. Oh my god, they have so many photos of her inside from the actual movie. Wow. And we heard from the locals that because of this, Monica Bellucci is staple in Trebinje city. What a beautiful experience. Insane.